I'm Joe, and this is Orland, PA, and I'm going to give you an update on the weather today. We had the first part of the blizzard, northeaster, that came in yesterday on February 9th. It's February 10th right now, and I'll let you know in Orland what it looks like around here. Looks like about 3 inches of snow, no more. We've got some pileups here. Yeah, roads are quite passable, except out in the driveways here. Shovel this again. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get a strong wind in about an hour, and we're going to get another few inches of snow. Predict 10 to 20 inches of snow. It's going to snow for about 12 hours.